Are you looking for an AI tool that can bring your text to life? Look no further than Lumen5. With its advanced artificial intelligence technology, Lumen5 is the perfect tool for creating engaging text-to-video content. Why choose Lumen5? Well, it's simple. Lumen5 takes your plain text and transforms it into captivating videos that grab attention. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or content creator, Lumen5 helps you deliver your message in a visually appealing and compelling way. One of the most powerful features of Lumen5 is its ability to analyze your text and automatically generate scenes and visuals. It understands the context of your content and selects relevant images and videos to accompany your message. This saves you time and effort in searching for the perfect visuals. But it doesn't stop there. Lumen5 also provides a vast library of high-quality stock photos, videos, and music that you can easily incorporate into your videos. This ensures that your content looks professional and polished. Another great feature is the ability to customize your videos with your brand's colors, fonts, and logo. This ensures consistency and strengthens your brand identity. Lumen5's user-friendly interface makes it incredibly easy to create videos, even if you have no prior video editing experience. With just a few clicks, you can arrange your scenes, add text overlays, and adjust the timing to create a seamless video. Once your video is ready, you can easily download it and share it across various platforms, such as social media, your website, or presentations. The possibilities are endless. With Lumen5, you can turn any text into a captivating video that keeps your audience engaged. So why wait? Start creating amazing text-to-video content with Lumen5 today. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.